Hi everybody. These are 4 baby proofing cabinet strap locks. Comes in this package where the back has words and pictures on how to use the product. For the strap locks themselves, there are your adhesives. Just remove the backing and then place it onto the surface. To adjust the length to make it longer or shorter, slide this part forward, and sometimes I have trouble doing that. So once you slide it forward, now you can shorten it or lengthen it to the length you want. And once I get the length that I want, slide this back, lock it into place. To open and close, just slide that forward. You can lift it away. So this would be stuck to the surface. And then to put it back, slide, and then just put these two right back onto the hooks. I hope this gives you some idea of how this product works. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.